It's not just about the money, it's also about the energy of progress and innovation that flows through Tesla. In this exciting video, we're putting on our detective hats and going on a mission to decode the cryptic puzzle that is Tesla's true value. From their cutting-edge technology to the culture that fuels their passion, we're breaking it all down to find the golden nugget that makes Tesla shine so brightly in the automotive galaxy. But let's not stop there, let's look into the future and see what possibilities lie there. Beyond the horizon, could Tesla's worth go beyond the balance sheets and echo in the energy revolution? Is there a formula that measures the collective aspirations of visionaries, inventors, and fans alike? As we try to figure out Tesla's true worth, we're breaking down barriers and starting conversations that will leave sparks in their wake. So buckle up, friends, because this isn't just a journey through data, it's a voyage through innovation, ambition, and the unwavering pursuit of a sustainable tomorrow. As we embark on this exploration, keep your mind open, your imagination is free. The road ahead is full of surprises and revelations waiting to be found. But before we go any further, I'd like to ask you to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more updates. Tesla's stock seems to be significantly undervalued, and they're not afraid to say it. Because of this, they've given the company a thumbs up for its strong financial situation and good profitability plus growth. Not only is Tesla shining bright, but experts say that Tesla stock should be worth $450. That's right, 97.26% of companies in the vehicles and parts business rank lower than Tesla. Remember that conversation Elon Musk had with his fans? It made me think about how traditional automakers might only change their minds when they feel pressured to. Chimed in to explain Tesla's efforts to help other automakers make the switch to electric autonomy. They threw open their patents. Vault added superchargers and offered to license their self-driving AI system. It's kind of like deja vu with the supercharging, but will these giants catch on with full self-driving? Now, if you're into cyber trucks, and who isn't, 3 more of those sneaky cyber trucks were seen hanging out. We don't have the official pic yet, but a Tesla employee from China has given the go-ahead that looks a lot like the real thing. Do not worry, there is more good news to come. For the first half of 2023, Tesla officially became the world's largest supplier of energy storage systems. They have made their mark on a list that used to be controlled by Chinese companies like BID. Elon Musk now owns a nice 10% of the 72.4 gigawatt-hour pie. 65% of the players are Chinese, who are in first place. Other players, not wanting to be left behind, hold the last 25%. Elon Musk is building a giant pack. The factory in China has to keep up with demand. Oh, and if you want to see new Model 3s, China is the place to be. A lot of updated Model 3s are making a statement on the roads. Now for the real kicker. On the home page of Best Buy's US website, Tesla's universal wall connector is right in the middle. But hey, it's not all sunshine and flowers. Colin Campbell, a top engineer at Tesla, is leaving the company to work for J.B. Straubel's Redwood Materials. Remember that J.B. is a co-founder of Tesla and is currently a member of the Tesla board. Some might call this a conflict of interest, but Colin Campbell's move has gotten a lot of attention. He has been working for Tesla for 17 years and is now making a switch. He quickly rose through the ranks and is now a senior director overseeing powertrain development. Imagine being in charge of all things electrical, mechanical, and manufacturing for high-powered parts like electronics, motors, gearboxes, batteries, and charging systems in both the vehicle and energy divisions. Campbell used to be Tesla's VP of Powertrain, but he's leaving to become Chief Technology Officer at Redwood Materials. And don't forget the stock options that could be in the mix. The value of Redwood Materials is at least $3.7 billion as of July 2021. But here's the thing, working for a smaller company often makes it easier to see how your efforts affect the bottom line. It's like putting down a seed and watching it grow. China is becoming a delivery hub for Teslas. We have data that shows a steady 13.9K deliveries, which I think is pretty good compared to last year's Q4 when things weren't going so well. Now that Tesla has tamed that end-of-quarter roller coaster. We're in the green compared to the previous quarter. Trends are looking good, and if they hold, we might see another record-breaking quarter. What's more, the report has it that Mills got it that James is predicting 470,000 deliveries around the world this quarter, and Gary, well, he thinks China's numbers are solid, and he's known for telling it like it is. But let's talk about Cybertrucks for a minute. We've seen these futuristic beasts out in the wild dirt, and they're definitely catching people's attention. Up close, you might notice some fit and finish tweaks that are still in the works, but that's normal for early production, and remember that these trucks are prototypes, they'll only get better with time. There has been talk that Twitter's new name might make people less likely to download its app. That's a worry, but hey, Elon's here to comfort us. Twitter users are really active, 346 billion user seconds a day, and that doesn't include a small spike a while ago. What does this mean? It's like finding a treasure chest full of activity. More eyes means more money, and let's not forget that users who are actively using the site are often the ones who are ready to pay extra for cool premium features like Twitter Blue. Also, they'd love to hear from you, so a little edit replies feature wouldn't hurt right now. Now, let's see the big Tesla parade. 2 new cars are getting ready to hit the road. The Cybertruck and a new Generation 3 model for the Highlander fans of Tesla are in for a double treat. Oh, and don't forget that the Model 3's update could make it a lot cheaper, which would open up more markets for Tesla. When we talk about markets and trends, let's talk about how people feel about Tesla stock. Sometimes the market is a little down, and on Friday it was giving Tesla stock a cool shoulder. But don't let the bad vibes get to you. 2 game-changing vehicles are just around the corner, which is like having the coolest toy collection on the block. If you're worried about how the stock market is moving, just remember that the Cybertruck is about to hit the streets. It's a real beast on wheels, and trust me, if you're in the business of making cars and you're not Tesla, things might not look so sunny. Now let's look at Megapacks, a slow dance to speed things up. Some say that, but wait, there's a reason for all this chaos. Tesla is busy with Megapacks, factory plans, and a global strategy. Elon is also having talks with people in other countries, and France may be in the spotlight. But hey, it's all in the numbers, right? Well, not so much when it comes to Megapacks. The exact count is a bit of a mystery. Rob's wise words ring true. It has ramps for everything, even storage rooms full of batteries. And since we're talking stocks, keep this in mind, a hint of a Cybertruck price drop could be like a magic wand for Teslas. Stock value. Stock prices could go up if the cost of building something goes down. Also, Forbes may have taken a detour with their headline about shipped Cybertrucks. Nope, not to customers yet, they're just on the move, not in driveways. Now let's jump on the rumor train. Tesla's name has been going around a certain city. There have been talks, but we shouldn't put our money on it just yet. Usually, these visits are more for show than for groundbreaking. But here's the icing on the cake. It's official, Tesla has teamed up with Lexus to offer luxury vehicles. Who knew? Tesla isn't just about electric vehicles, they're also going strong in the luxury game. And speaking of games, there's a Vietnamese CV maker called VinFast whose stock went crazy, rising 100.14% in one day. It makes you wonder if there's stock market magic in the air. Finally, let's all laugh about a new car that's only supposed to go 200 miles on an 82 kilowatt-hour battery. Sometimes the math just doesn't add up. That's all for today's Tesla update. We've talked about everything from rising stock prices to strange megapacks. But let's not forget about the stock market, which is always changing. Do you find it as interesting as I do how the market responds to Tesla's every move? It's like a roller coaster ride that keeps us all guessing. What are your thoughts on this unique dance between innovation investors' feelings and the stock charts now that we've finished our discussion? I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Your predictions and your thoughts, leave your comments below and let's keep the conversation going. Tell us what you think about the Cybertruck's effect, the possible revolution of the Model 3 refresh, and how you see the market behaving dynamically. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this Tesla roller coaster and to subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Thanks for watching and see you in our next videos.